film director and producer Shri Karan Johar and a versatile Hindi film actor Shri Vikrant Messi.
Thank you so much. Heartfelt gratitude and thanks to Honorable Chief Minister Sahab Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji, Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Mulu Bhai Bera ji, Mr. Vineet Jain, Managing Director of the Times Group, and distinguished dignitaries and members from the media. Before I begin, I'll just take 30 seconds to share something which is very close to my heart. I'm sure most of my friends in the media know that Gujarat has been my home. I have lived here in the year 2007 and 8. I was living in Vadodara. और जब जब मुझे मौका मिलता है मैं भाग के यहाँ पे आ जाता हूँ. मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं अहमदाबाद में भी, वडोदरा में भी, नवसारी में भी. और लास्ट ईयर मेरा पहला फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड भी मुझे गिफ्ट सिटी अहमदाबाद में मिला था. And today here I am with all the distinguished dignitaries in the presence of the Honorable CM Sahab. So it's truly an honor to be here in Gujarat for this special occasion with the Filmfare Awards. As someone who's grown in this industry step by step, I can say that moments like these remind us of what we all work towards. The chance to tell stories that connect and to be a small part of the larger journey of Indian cinema. What excites me most today is how inclusive our industry has become over these years. Fresh voices, new faces, and powerful stories are being celebrated like never before. It doesn't matter where you come from or what language you speak. If your story is honest and sincere, it will surely find its audience. That's the magic of the time we are currently living in. And for artists like me, the Filmfare Awards have always been more than just an award. They are a symbol of encouragement, a recognition that your work has touched people, and above all, a reminder of the responsibility that we carry as storytellers. And lastly, I truly believe that the partnership between Filmfare and the government of Gujarat will only help strengthen this ecosystem. Gujarat, as I said, is home to me. It is also not just a land of culture and heritage, but also a land that is opening its arms to new stories and new storytellers. And that support means everything to all of us here. I'm deeply grateful to the Honorable Chief Minister Sahab, the Honorable Tourism Minister, and the Managing Director and the Times Group for making this celebration possible for artists and dreamers like me. It's a privilege to be here, and I really look forward to being inspired by the magic of the 70th Filmfare Awards in Gujarat, and I'm sure you guys are going to have a time of your life. Thank you so much.
Namaskar. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Bhupendra Bhai Patel ji, Honorable Tourism Minister Shri Mulu Bhai Bera ji, Mr. Vineet Jain, Managing Director of the Times Group, and all the very distinguished dignitaries and all of you loved members of the media. I have a speech in front of me, but I think when it comes to Filmfare, with me it really works on an emotional level. मुझे अभी भी याद है जब पहली बार मैंने अपना पहला फिल्मफेयर अवार्ड जीता था. It was in the year 99 for a film of mine that released in the year 1998. मैं बहुत नर्वस था. It was a very competitive year. बहुत सारी फिल्में थी उस साल, और मुझे अभी भी याद है मैं अपने पिता के साथ बैठा हुआ था and I was very stressed क्योंकि कैटेगरी आ रही थी बेस्ट डायरेक्टर की. तो पापा ने मुझे मुड़ के कहा कि बेटा 11 बार गायत्री मंत्र याद कर लो, कह दो, और ये अवार्ड शायद तुम्हारे मिल जाएगी. तो मुझे वो पल, वो लम्हा बहुत खूबसूरती से याद है. And I remember what it meant to me to win my first Filmfare Award. Because as a filmmaker, as a member of the fraternity, a Filmfare Award is not just a recognition. It's beyond an award. It is actually for us in the industry, it's an emotion. because it is the most archived film award, going back 70 years. Can you imagine जब आपका नाम इतिहास में जाता है? It's with the greats, Bimal Roy, Raj Kapoor, Guru Dutt Saab, Devanand, Dilip Kumar, Madhubala, Meena Kumari, Nutan, the kind of names, Lata ji, the kind of names that are there in the archives of the Filmfare Awards. और जब हमारी फिल्में नॉमिनेट होती हैं या हम जीतते हैं तो हमारे लिए वो पल ऐतिहासिक होता है, because you are basically enveloping and embracing nostalgia. That's how important Filmfare Awards is to all of us. And last year, I had the honor, the pleasure, and the privilege of hosting the 69th Filmfare Award in the beautiful, respected state of Gujarat. For that, I have to thank all the absolutely respected members and dignitaries on this illustrious panel for allowing us and opening your hearts for us to come to the beautiful state of Gujarat and host the 69th Filmfare Awards here. And I believe in continuance, because in continuance there lies legacy. We are here for the second year. That means that that experience was so embracing and emotional for us कि हम फिर से इस साल वापस आना चाहते हैं for our 70th year at Filmfare. And when I say our, because I consider myself a part of the Filmfare family. पहली बार जब मैंने host किया था, that was in the year 2000, and it was the first time I had ever hosted. It was a Filmfare Award. 25 साल से मैं host करते आ रहा हूँ and I'm still at it as a host. And that means that it was Filmfare that began my journey. And I hope that journey never stops, because there's nothing more beautiful than standing on that illustrious stage and sharing the platform with the most talented members of your industry. Thank you very much. Today when I saw the signing between these beautiful sunflowers, it took me back to a line in a song, कि फूल भी हो घर में तो फासले हुए, लेकिन यहाँ फासले नहीं, हम करीब आ गए. So I regret to not agree with the lyrics when it comes to our signing. And the thing about Filmfare is that it will go beyond all of us. Because it is how Raj Kapoor Saab said, कि कल खेल में हम हो ना हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा. So beyond us, Filmfare will live on. The legacy of Filmfare will live on. And again, I'd like to thank everyone here for allowing us to come back into your hearts and into your homes. Thank you, Gujarat, for welcoming us, and thank you, Filmfare, for giving me this opportunity.
Hi Karan, welcome to Filmfare. So Filmfare is back in Gujarat. How excited are you for the 70th Filmfare Awards 2025 with Gujarat Tourism?
I'm very excited to be back in Gujarat. We were here last year. I was hosting the award show for the 69th Filmfare Award last year in Gujarat. We're back again. It's wonderful that we've come back to the beautiful state of Gujarat. Being invited again means that it was a wonderful success last year, and it was a big success for us too. We felt very welcome. We felt like part of the family here, and I think we're coming back with an illustrious award in a milestone year. It's the 70th year. Filmfare, as we know, is the most archived film award, dating back 70 years. Can you imagine the kind of legends that have won this illustrious black lady? And I think being part of that illustrious history, being part of that cinematic history in itself is such an honor. And I think the whole combination of the tourism and the Ministry of Tourism in Gujarat welcoming us with open arms and we bringing Indian cinema and the best of Hindi cinema here, I think it's a beautiful melange.
Okay, amazing. So what is the best part of being on the Filmfare stage, both as an MC and as an award winner?
I think winning an award is, I remember the very first time I won my first Filmfare Award, how deeply what it meant to me emotionally as a filmmaker. I think winning an award is a huge honor. When I stare at my Filmfare Awards, I know that they're not just, achievements or recognition, but it's just, as I said, it's a beautiful emotion that you feel for that victory. Being there on the stage is, of course, always an honor, because it's the best seat in the house.
Could you talk to me about that one winning moment that you still remember?
I think it was definitely that one winning moment that I remember was my first Filmfare Award. I remember it was the year that I made my debut. It was 99, but the film had released in 98. And I knew that I rehearsed that speech from my childhood days. And there came that moment where I was like, will I win it, will I not? Because it was a competitive year. Winning that award was like meant the world to me, because I finally got to make the speech that I had rehearsed all through my childhood years.
Okay, thank you so much for speaking to us.
Thank you.
Thank you.